Hi there friends, welcome back. This is the third video. As we discussed in the last video, there are three types of billing, which is retail billing, distributor billing, and manual billing. So today I'm going to tell you about the distributor billing. So let's begin. So open up your browser and here you can see the bookmark, as I told you in the last video how to create your bookmark. So now I'm going to click on this Tiara shop and here you can see the login page. Now I'm putting my email ID here, then my password and login. Here you can see the software page. Again, I'm going to click on this cart and this is the billing portion. So go on these boxes and click on the distribution bill. We need a standard product. So first of all, we have to create some items so we can sell whatever we want. So here you can see I'm highlighting on this setting button. Now I'm right clicking on it. Then you can see the page is open in new tab. So here you can see the page point of sale admin area. Now I'm clicking on this products. You can create brand items here. So now I'm clicking on this items and after that I'm clicking on add new. Here you can see so many boxes where you can see store. Mine is Tiara Paws store. You can add more store if you want to, and you can put item name here and you can create a brand and what kind of packing the item needs and many other features. So let's begin with creating an item. Now I want to create an digital watch and its brand is Fast Track, but here you can see Fast Track is not highlighting, so we can create a brand too. So I'm clicking on this brand and opening it in new tab. Here you can add the brand here. So I'm clicking on add new and I'm going to add a brand name Fast Track and click on this create. So here you can see Fast Track is added and I'm going back on this item tab. Here when I click on this select brand, here you can see the Fast Track is not highlighting yet. So I'm going to click on this refresh button and now again I'm selecting on this brand. Here you can see the Fast Track is highlighting, so I can select my brand and what kind of packing it needs. I'm selecting box and its units are in pieces and quantity is 1 and I'm going to use it for sale. And you can put some description of watch here if you want to, like Fast Track is a very nice product. You can add whatever you want to. I'm just putting some dummy description and you can put the price here, like I'm putting it 5,000 rupees. Here you can scan a barcode by adding your bar scanner with it, but for just a dummy purpose I'm just putting some item code by myself, like 2001 and clicking on next tab. Here you can manage your stocks, like I'm putting my minimum stock is 10 and my maximum stock is 15 and my present stock is 11 and I'm adding my CP cost price, like watches of 5,000 rupees, and you can add taxes too, but I'm just clicking on the next tab. Here you can see the retail price calculation, cost price calculation, and I'm going to add some selling option too, like here I'm adding retail price for the watch is 4,900 rupees and for the wholesale I'm adding 4,500 rupees. So and then I'm clicking on this add new. Here one more thing, you can add discount or taxes too, and I'm just creating a simple entry. So here you can see I've added the item and item is added. You can add the pics here by uploading, like I'm going to add my fast track watch and upload it. Make sure image size is small so it can be easily uploaded, because if image is of large size, image take too much time for uploading. So item is created. Now I'm going to elaborate a little bit about costing. Here you can see the retail price, cost price and wholesale price. And retail price is used for like we want to sell a product to a particular person, and wholesale price is like for like someone want to buy products in the bulk. So now I'm going back on the billing page so we can sell the product we have created. Like I've created a digital watch. Here you can see the fast track digital watch is highlighted. Now on the right side you can see the basic item information, what kind of brand it is, what kind of watch it is. So here you can see the stocks too. Now I want to sell one watch, and now I'm clicking on the add item. Here you can see the item is added, and there are a few more functions. Like here you can see the plus sign, minus sign and delete sign. You can add the product and deduct the product, or you can delete it too. Here you can see the bill, and here you can see the bill invoice date, which is backdated. You have created on which date, and you can add challan number, post order number, like we discussed in the previous video. So here I'm telling you about these tabs. So let's click on this add button. Here you can see you are increasing quantity by 1, and yes, I want to increase it. And here you can see the quantity is changed to 2, and the watch quantity is now 2, and the price is 9,000 rupees. So this is the functionalities of these tabs. And now I'm going to tell you about the hold button. You can hold the bill if you want to, like I'm just holding it. Here you can see the bill is holded, and hold is used for like if some customer want bill like very urgently, you have to give bill for some other customer, you can hold the bill of the previous customer. So I've holded the bill, and now I want to sell some more product, like I want to sell limca to the another customer, and the item quantity is 1, and I'm adding it. Before adding, I want to show you something here. Like you can see company stock is 2, and before it is of white color. Here you can see the color is red because the company minimum stock is like 10, and now the product is below the minimum stock, so it is a warning for you, so you can refill your products. And then now I'm clicking on this add button. Here you can see the item is added, and I don't want to print the bill, so I'm just clicking on this unprinting, and here you can see I've cut the bill, and the bill is created. As you can see the created bills, the bill I've holded, I want to complete it. So here you can see the holded bill. This one is for watch, and I'm clicking on this added button. Here you can see the digital watch which we holded. I want to add one more item in it, like I want to add limca in it, and its quantity is 1, and I want to add it. Here you can see limca is added to the same bill, but customer said I don't need a watch, or I don't want to complete the bill, I don't want to buy these things. So you can just go here and click on this white button to cancel the bill. I'm clicking on it. Here you can see the bill is cancelled, and it is voided. It means there is no change in your stocks, the stock remains same. So this is the functionalities of the hold and void button. Now I'm going to tell you about how to credit the bill. Here I want to credit some bill. So you need a customer name, as in the previous video I described how to create a customer, like I've already created. And so I'm selecting AM Hospitality because credit can be done for registered customers. So here I want to sell him a watch, like fast track digital watch, and item quantity is 1, and then I'm clicking on this add item. So I want to credit it, so I'm clicking on this credit, and now I'm clicking on this 0 to complete the bill. Here you can see the current credit and account details of the customer, which was 8,238 and now it is 12,738, and the date is also shown. So this is the credit function. Now I'm going to tell you about this bank tab. So we have to create bank first to pay the amount from banking. So here you can see I'm highlighting on this main navigation. I'm right clicking on it, and now I'm opening this page and I'm going on this finance. Here you can see the finance admin, and here I'm clicking on this bank. I want to create a bank name like HDFC, and its branch is like Manali, and account number is just a dummy account number. I'm just putting it for you, and some IFSC code, and contact number is just a dummy contact number. And after that I'm adding a carry forward amount. Carry forward amount is like current amount of the bank, like I'm putting 5,000 rupees, and now I'm creating it. So here you can see the bank is created, and you have to complete one more thing here. You have to map the bank with your POS system, like I'm clicking on this map POS with the bank. Here you can see the plus sign, which is add POS. So I'm adding the HDFC bank here and clicking on this add. So bank is added. Now I'm going back on the billing section. So I'm going to sell some item to the customer name like AM Hospitality, and the item I want to sell is a watch, but company of Timex, and the quantity is 1, and I'm clicking on this add item. So add item is added here. Now I want to pay the amount by bank, so I'm selecting the pay mode, which is a bank. You can select mobile wallet too, and I want to select the bank, which is HDFC bank. And now I'm selecting, you can print, but I'm selecting the complete the bill but not print, so I'm selecting 0. So the bill is created. And one more thing you can check, you can go back to that page where you created your bank. Here you can see one more tab like bank outstanding. We added 5,000 rupees in the bank, but here you can see the amount is now 8,950 rupees because the amount is added. So this is the bank tab. So I want to tell you about this search button too. So here you can search previous bills by searching on it. So I want to search some bills on customer name AM Hospitality. So I'm putting the name here. Here you can see the all AM Hospitality customers name bill. So you can search the bill by number too, like searching 92, and I'm hitting on tab. Here you can see the bill of 92 number is shown. You can see the details by clicking on this eye. So this is it for the today. I'm not I don't want to take your much time. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you about the retail billing and many more functionalities. So thank you for watching and have a good day.